others, this video is all about a book that I am currently reading. It's from the Jealous creator Daniela Crissa. I hope I say that correctly. I've been following her on Instagram and I will put some links in the description. The book is called Your Inner Critic is a Big Jerk. As I just started the book, the first part is about what your childhood and your inner critic have in common. It states that the comments our parents and our teachers say at our younger ages make a lifelong impression on and shapes the things we say to ourselves about our own creations. For me, it was no different. I grew up in a very creative family. My mom, even though she has a severe visual restriction, was a gifted textile artist, and my dad was a great painter and graphic artist. They both didn't do it as a full-time job, but they were outstanding. So I was this little girl in this perfect artistic family, and I have always felt to be in their shadow, not being gifted with anything like them. Even though my parents always encouraged us to be creative, but still I always felt from a very young age like there wasn't this big thing called talent in me. That didn't keep me from doing creative stuff throughout my life though, because I went to varying from drama to art school, but I never painted. I always compared myself to my dad and constrained myself because of my inner critic. She is a jerk. It kept me from a lot of fun. And then I came across junk journaling. I saw these cute journals that people were making and then filled them with art. And it was something so far from what my dad always painted. So I started to try it, and I found it incredibly hard to do, but so much fun. Dipping my fingers in paint, using inks to create a terrible mess, and I loved to learn mark making as a very Zen-based activity. As I was doing this every day, I learned something very important. I kind of started to feel the connection between the act of painting and my mind. I started to feel blessed and happy doing it. I felt a deep connection between my daily mindfulness practices and creating art. That's when I started reading, practicing, and learning so much more about mindful creativity and how it all benefits our brains and mood and overall life. That's why I started this channel, to show you my journey and teach the things I've learned so far. This is not a normal art channel. I try to show you it's not about what you create, but it's the fact you do create. I show you the fights with my inner critic, and I'm still doing it. So start to use words to empower your intentions. Use colors to reflect your feelings. Use mark making to create some zen. And start to use different kinds of brushes just for fun. It's okay to make ugly things. It's okay to make mistakes. And it's okay to create a mess, because it's all about the use of art and creativity as a mindful practice and to create some happiness every single day. Because of the key thoughts of this channel, my art can be beautiful or it can be weird, messy, or maybe ugly. I don't edit my art. I show you what I made today. I don't do things over just to show you beautiful results. I show you what I made without a filter, hopefully to inspire you to start creating or to keep you creating without being harsh to yourself and without listening to that jerk of an inner critic. If you like what you see, please follow my channel, and you are always welcome to give me a thumbs up. I wish you a lovely day. Be nice to yourself and please be kind to others. Remember, you are amazing, and remind yourself of everything you are grateful for. I hope you will create something beautiful. No, I hope you will create something today. Well, I wish you a big hug from me, and bye bye for now.